ಹೇ అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి ఎల్లರಿಗೂ నమస్ಕಾರ వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు శ్రీ వస్త్రస్య I know everybody by now thinking like why she also told in Kannada ani I'll tell you that later. First aithe like this is a mother and daughter combo, and for the mother outfit the skirt is completely of space silk fabric and the base skirt part is an umbrella skirt. On that pleated layers ichamanamata, and the blouse is made out of tissue silk with embroidery, and we got it dyed to match the bottom fabric color. So we also gave a detachable belt like this, and the dupatta is a ruffle dupatta, completely ruffle dupatta. Like to give that fullness, we designed it like that, just like this. It looks so good, and you can also wear it by putting can skirt inside. For this we didn't give can inbuilt because the client requirement is like she wants to wear it for other occasions too, like small occasions too. So we didn't give to make her feel comfortable. Only for the photo shoot she wants to wear a separate can skirt, so it looked like this without can inside. And the exciting part is the kids outfit. Even this is made with the same fabric, and we gave a hair accessory too, just like this, like a small hairband ichamo. And even the hairband part ki kuda completely sequins and beads work ostundannamata. And can you see how cute it turned out? Like completely layers design lo ichamandi. The bottom part again is the space silk, and top part is made out of tissue silk, like this, completely layers anamata. Enta cute ga vachindante, it was so cute. And the sleeves are butterfly sleeves with double layer, daniki pico cheyinchamu so that it will give that more cuteness. So the kid outfit, the baby outfit looks like this. So this is the complete look of the combo. So I'll tell you now why I started with Kannada. Like ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದು ಬಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಕಾವ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ಗೌಡ ಅವರು ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕೊರಟಗೆರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ತುಂಬ ನಂಬಿದ್ರು. ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಲೈಕ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಕಾವ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ಗೌಡ ಅವರೇ, ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಲೀವಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವ್ರೇನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅದೇನಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾವ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಆದರೂ ಹೇಳಿ, ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಆದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಅದು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳೋಣ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಸೊ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು, ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ಗೇವ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಸ್ಯಾಶ್. ಸೊ ದ ಹೋಲ್ combo looks like this. ನಿಮಗೂ ಈ ಥರ ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಸ್. ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.